You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
All right, guys. Tim and I just saw a video on how to make hard-boiled eggs. And I give credit to Alton Brown, who I love immensely. Everybody loves Good Eats. The guy's a genius. He's very entertaining too. So we saw a new way to hard-boil eggs. So we're gonna try it and see if it's worth doing. Okay guys, so grab your eggs and grab a hand towel or two. If you're gonna do more than a dozen, you probably want 2 hand towels maybe. So grab a hand towel or 2 and we'll get ready. All right, so get the hand towels wet. You can just put them under water, soak up a lot of water in the towels. I think are we using 1 or 2?
Just 1.
Just 1? Okay, just 1, you guys. Okay, you take that wet towel. Now preheat your oven to 320 degrees. Then you're gonna open up the oven and lay the towel out on one of the racks. Okay, then you're gonna carefully set your eggs on the towel and you're gonna cook for 30 minutes at 320 degrees. So we'll see you afterwards and see how they come out. Okay, we got about 5 minutes. The eggs are gonna be done. Then they go right into this ice bath for 10 minutes. You don't have to crack the shell. You don't have to do anything, just put them in an ice bath for 10 minutes. Ironically, these are not hard-boiled eggs. These are hard-baked eggs.
Little freckled spots on them.
They got what?
Little freckled spots.
Oh yeah. Little dark brown spots on them. All right. So we're putting them in an ice bath and we'll see you in 10 minutes. All right. So 10 minutes is up. We're gonna check out the eggs right now. See how easy they are to peel. Was that easier?
It's about the same, but yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna taste it because they're supposed to the yolk is supposed to taste creamier. So Tammy does it different in the pressure cooker, and we'll do, I think, have we done a video on that? Oh yeah, we've already done a video on that, but this is another way. We did an experiment. It peeled good. Now does it taste better? Let's give it a try. The yolks are way better. The yolks are creamier than the way we do it. This came out really good, guys.